Find it on Amazon.
Teachers everywhere are recommending the Young Singer's First Voice lesson book. Here are real testimonials.
I recently bought and have loved reading the Young Singer's First Voice lesson book. What a fabulous resource! I love that the lessons are divided by pitch interval, such a great tool for developing the ear and the eye. I also love the song choices and illustrations. I currently teach voice at a university, but as I have some students who are less adept in sight reading, I will be pulling out this book to teach them visual and auditory intervals. An excellent book which I will be referring adult and child singers to, and their parents and teachers, for years to come.
Fantastic resource for developing the ear and sight reading abilities in young singers. Adult singers who wish to learn to sight read would be well served to work through this book as well.
This is such a well-written and easy-to-understand lesson book for kids. So colorful and fun. I have been teaching voice and music for many years and have never found a more complete and exciting book until now. The materials cover just enough for the young singer teaching so many important skills. I will be ordering more.
Get the gift that will last a lifetime. The Young Singer's First Voice lesson book. Find it on Amazon.